Welcome back to our channel, where we explore books that inspire and empower us to live our best lives. Today, we dive into the insightful pages of The Power of the Spoken Word by Florence Scovel Shinn. In this video, we'll uncover the key concepts and lessons from this remarkable book. Florence Scovel Shinn, a prominent writer and metaphysical teacher, published this book in the early 20th century. The Power of the Spoken Word is a guidebook to understanding and utilizing the immense power that lies within our words and thoughts. Shinn believed that our words shape our reality and can be used to manifest our desires. The central idea of the book revolves around the profound impact of our spoken words. Shinn emphasizes that our words hold the power to create or destroy, to build or tear down. She stresses the importance of being mindful of the language we use, as it directly affects the outcomes we experience in life. Shinn introduces the concept of positive affirmations as a transformative tool. By using positive and empowering statements, we can shift our mindset and align ourselves with our desired outcomes. She provides numerous examples of affirmations that can be used in different areas of life, such as relationships, health, and prosperity. Shinn also explores the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like. She explains that by focusing on positive thoughts and affirmations, we attract positive experiences into our lives. Conversely, dwelling on negative thoughts and using disempowering words can manifest negative situations. Faith plays a significant role in Shinn's teachings. She stresses the importance of having unwavering faith in the power of our words and thoughts. Through faith, we can overcome obstacles and manifest our desires, even in the face of adversity. Shinn shares inspiring stories of individuals who achieved extraordinary success through their unwavering faith. Gratitude is another fundamental aspect of Shinn's teachings. She highlights the transformative power of expressing gratitude for what we have in the present moment. By appreciating the blessings in our lives, we open ourselves up to receiving even more abundance. Shinn emphasizes the importance of taking action and applying these teachings in our daily lives. She encourages readers to consciously choose their words, thoughts, and actions to create the life they desire. By aligning their intentions with positive words and thoughts, individuals can harness the power of the spoken word to manifest their dreams. And that concludes our summary of The Power of the Spoken Word by Florence Scovel Shinn. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the influence of your words and thoughts and to use them as tools for personal transformation. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful book summaries. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep speaking words that empower and uplift.